decoder. This is older than my decoder. It's like a 2003 model, guys. Won't shift. Oh my goodness, we having transmission problems on a 2003. You can tell it's old. Look at the key. You know this is not, obviously there's no security, factory security, because this is a regular typical valet key. Well, anyway, they need love too, right? So, whew, thank goodness it started. It was towed in, it would not shift. Oh, okay, no guys, oh my goodness, I hate when they do this, but it's interesting when they do this. Okay, not that it won't shift into gear. So it's not like it's got transmission problems. Oh, these clowns. They won't go into gear. Now, hold on. I'm sure with any, 2003 was the shift interlock invented back then. Okay, I'm on the brake. Normally, let me see if you can hear an interlock. Let me turn this off. Can I hear an interlock actuating when I hit the brake? Y'all hear that? I know y'all hear that horn blowing, but I'm talking about, let me turn this down. All right, watch this. As I press on the brake, so I can actually hear the solenoid activating to allow, remember guys, this is a safety feature. You should not be able to put your car in gear if you're not on the brake. Why would you? I mean, so that safety mechanism was put into place for your safety, okay? Even back in 03, this was technology out. Yeah, I can hear it, it's just not, I can't get it into gear. Now, let me see if I can manually, see, it looks like this, let me get this out the way. This tab right here may be, oh, so I can push that in, let me see. Okay. Look, so once I push it in, it just stays in. Now I can go in and out of gear. So that mechanism, I guess, supposed to move that back. Let me see. Or is the key supposed to, let me see something, guys. Let me turn the key off. Oh, look. It pushed back in place. Turn the key back on. Press on the brake. Yeah, it's not. So I have to manually. So whatever is in charge of moving that back out the way is not doing its job. Now, I'm in park, so only when I turn, let's turn the key off. Look at that. Y'all see that pushing out as I turn the key off? Now, I wouldn't think it's responsible for moving that in. I think mechanically, when I turn this key, some rod is pushing that out. But I don't think, I think this actuator, shift interlock actuator is supposed to. Yeah, I'm about to take this cover off, guys. See, yeah, I can, okay. Yeah, I'm in gear. So it's not a transmission shifting problem. It's a freaking shifter. There's a difference between shifting and shifter. I'm having a shifter issue right now. All right, so let's get this thing in the shop, guys. Y'all stay tuned, hold tight. We're going to get this cover off and we're going to figure this thing out together. Okay, so y'all hold tight, man. Look, I got drive. I got everything, as long as that little mechanism out the way. Stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys. We're back at this truck. Remember what we talked about earlier, guys? We got to get a closer look at this steering mechanism. So let's get this cover off. All right. Now, like we said earlier, what is responsible for pulling that in? I mean, where's the key? Where is the... See, this is the interlock mechanism. So even if I take that off, I will likely have this problem. So this is an issue right here, guys. Y'all see that? What is responsible? Let me see. Let me turn this key off. All right, let me turn the key on. Key on. Now, I don't understand what's making this. Is this an adjustment right here? Guys, I'm gonna take this off because I gotta make sure the actuator, interlock actuator, is not the cause for this. It can't be, right? All right, here's how you can tell. Right now I cannot shift, and this is pushed in. So if I step on the brakes, okay, so the interlock actuator is not responsible for that. Like right now, I can't go into gear. Put on the brake. All right, so we can cancel that out. So again, it's this mechanism. All right, I'm back to square one. Something pushes this in and out. Is the steering column? This spring thingy right here. Oh my goodness, guys. This guy may need a steering. Uh-oh. Something right here. Okay, this is responsible. No. I need to know what makes this go in like that. Because with the key off, it won't go in. That's because this came out. Key on, this will go up and allow this to go in. So, but what is responsible for this movement right here? Ooh. He might end up needing a steering column, guys. Let me try, I'm gonna try some WD-40. Let me lube all of this real good. But even if that's the case, what makes this go in? Damn. All right, hold tight, guys. Let me go get some lube. Alrighty, guys. Look what I have. We're gonna try this. Normally I would break out some WD-40, but this may work out a little better, guys. It's all about penetrating, lubrication. I want to lube this shaft because this is irking me. This is bothering me. I'm not sure if this damn thing's supposed to slide when you turn the key on. I'm almost certain that over time, over the years, this will rust out. Let's just shoot this right in here. See if I get some, I don't know. Look at that. Holy crap. Y'all see that? It do supposed to slide up and down. Look at that. Oh. Guys, guess what came through for me? Yes, I'm a firm believer in the PB blast. I just fixed the transmission shifting with some PB blaster. Whoa, wait a minute. Okay, key off. So I was right, guys. My suspicions was right. With this lever right here up, this spring load is supposed to pull this up, and that way you can go into gear. Feet on the brake. Yes. Turn it off. Watch this slide up. Or slide back. When it slide back, this lever will lock it in place. Safety mechanism, okay? So, look at that. It went in when I turned the key on. Guys, wow. You learn something new every day. Where you at, 69 Dark, man? What you know about this PB blaster? Man, it's going to make for a good video, guys. I fixed a transmission with some PB blaster. No, I really did. Guys, this is an 03. I cannot memorize this tech. Now, you know what I'm saying? I've been in enough steering columns to know what I think should happen, guys. It's all about physics at some point. The laws of physics. This has to go in for this to shift. And I was just about to go toward the shift interlock. But no, listening at this solenoid. Y'all hear that? Every time I touch on the brake, I can hear the solenoid actuate. This is my problem. Now that it's lubed, so I'm going to spray down here real good and lubricate it more professionally. But guys, that's all I have. Now, turn the car off, turn the key off. I can't shift. Turn the key on. I can't shift until I hit on the brake. Put it back in park. Take off the brake. The interlock just reactivated, turn the key off. The mechanism come out. You can't shift it anymore. Yes. I'm done, guys. That's all I have, man. I appreciate you guys watching. Now, I'm bragging on this, but in reality, any kind of lubrication, WD-40, Mopar makes some called rust penetration. I use that a lot, but my buddy had some of this, so I decided to try this, and I'm glad I did because I now have a bragging point for how this fixed a shifter. Guys, I'm having fun, guys. Y'all don't understand that. But that's all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.